What's 701 gonna do, Alfred? Hold on, John.
Water?
Yeah, sure. Oh, now he's looking. Now he knows we're here, John. But now he knows we're here, man.
Get one.
Yeah, I was hoping you wouldn't come over here, to be honest.
Sorry.
That's okay. I still love you.
I'll leave this here.
I'll still go to your wedding.
I'm gonna leave it here for Lewis. When he sits down, have him come here. Okay. And I'll put his key there.
Don't go over to him.
I'm
Yeah,
not.
he's not. No, I wish. I would have put in another one by now. Actually, it's making me more thirsty. I need to fix my radio. It's in the way where I gotta shoulder my gun. To Mill, yeah. I don't know if he's going to. I don't know if he's going to go inside anymore. Ready? Throwing it in the air.
We're right here.
He's trying to get shot.
We're not trying to get shot. We're standing right here.
He's trying to get shot.
He's not trying to get shot.
He's moving in.
He's not moving in. I promise you.
There are two strangers with guns on my property. Are you trying to get shot?
We're not trying to get shot.
Well, then why are you here?
We
You
got
can't even fucking tell me
I
why you're trespassing my property with guns? You dumb motherfucker!
we got called here, sir. We have to respond. Even if it's not state property or federal property, we have to respond.
You have responded.
Yes, under the order of the sheriff.
You have responded. There's nothing to see here, so be on your way.
We don't know if you live here or not. We don't know this is your house.
Has anyone called you from this property with an emergency? No. Exactly. So shut the fuck up and get the fuck off the property.
We will once you come out and talk to us.
I'm right here talking
No,
to you.
on your driveway.
You don't need me to come out there.
That's the only way we're
I'm
leaving.
right here talking to you. If you need me to come out there, there's something fucking wrong. You got evil fucking plans. I don't fucking trust you. I'm right fucking here talking to you, dumb motherfucker.
We don't have evil plans.
There's no reason for you to demand me to come out there for us to settle this.
I'm asking you, man to man, to come to your driveway so we can talk this out.
I'm asking you, man to man, to talk to me right now, right here.
And I am talking to you.
Okay.
But every time I talk to you, you start yelling at me. We need you to come out. I'm asking you to come to your driveway,
I'm in front of
unarmed.
my house talking to you right now where you can clearly see me, so fucking proceed.
Come out to your driveway, unarmed, and we'll talk this out. That's the only way we're going to leave.
I'm right here, clearly visible to you. Let's talk. What do you want?
I want you to come to your driveway so I can talk to you.
I'm right here, clearly visible to you. What do you want?
I don't even know your name.
You don't need to know my name. You're trespassing.
You want me to tell you everything and you not tell
You
me
don't
this?
need to tell me shit. You have no reason to be here.
Under the order of the sheriff, we have a reason to be here.
This ain't state property.
That's why the sheriff gave us that order.
Ain't state
It overrides
property.
it.
Sheriff has no authority here.
Yes, he does. Look it up.
No, he don't.
We're not the police.
I don't care.
We're not the police.
I don't care who you are. This is private property.
I understand
You have no
that.
authority here.
I'm not arguing with that. You're absolutely right.
Thank you. But you're trespassing. So you're still trespassing.
We're not in your house.
So you recognize the fact that you're trespassing.
We're not in your house.
But you're still trespassing with guns.
We're on your property line.
You're still trespassing with guns.
Under the order of the sheriff, we carry guns. That is correct.
There's no reason for you to be here.
We got called
There's
here.
nothing going on here. There's no reason for you to be here.
39.
You can clearly see that this property is fine. You can clearly see that.
I don't know if anyone inside is in harm's way.
You will never get a warrant to come in here. I'm out
Send
here
that
talking to you
female
right
Dia,
now.
the
You're
32.
wasting taxpayer dollars and everybody here's time fucking bullshitting because you want me to come stand out there when I'm fucking right here. You're a dumb motherfucker and you're sounding real fucking stupid. It's making great YouTube content though.
I'm sure it is.
It sure is. It absolutely is. This is the shit right here that gets a revolution started.
How many chickens you
I'm
got?
very familiar with that Clyde Bundy guy. Remember that standoff they had? Oh, I'm all fucking down for that.
How many chickens you got?
Huh?
How many chickens you have?
How many what?
Chickens.
That ain't no fucking business of yours. You're trespassing my fucking property for no reason. Get the fuck out.
So you have 5 chickens?
This guy's trespassing my property, asking about my chickens. Fucking premium content right here. Thank you. What's your name?
My name's Deputy Van Houten.
Deputy what?
Deputy Van Houten.
Van
Houten.
How long you been in the force?
Long time.
How long?
20 years. How long were you in the military? How long were you in the military?
You want today to be the day?
No.
Well, you better get the fuck off my property then.
How long you been in the military for?
Enough to end.
So 4 years?
I'm top hell of the charge, baby.
Army?
I did 8 years, bitch.
Isn't the military part of the government?
Expert weapon proficiency, 2 MA belts, high school wrestle. I will absolutely fucking destroy you, bitch. You are trespassing my fucking property. I have absolutely zero fucking respect for you, dumbass. You don't even know who we are. You can't even give us a reason.
I gave you a reason.
You want to demand me out here when I'm fucking right here? You're looking real fucking stupid for a 20-year vet. Real fucking stupid. This is how careers get over. You want to have a good retirement, you better fucking stop being stupid, bro. Because right now, you just fucking
Were you in the Army or the Marines?
Wait, right now. Look at the folks. 1, 2, 3, 4 officers plus 4 crews, 5 cruisers, probably 6, 8 cruisers. Y'all look at the stupid. Alright, we'll come back later, folks. This is why. This is why.
I'm probably getting there. What? You have another battery. At least you tried. At least you tried.
Yes, sir. Hey, Janetta. Janetta. Janetta.
I don't know who he's got back there. I don't know. He's leaning in, but he's saying something through. I don't know what he's doing.
Can I talk to Janetta, make sure she's okay?
You can clearly see she's fucking okay, you dumb motherfucker.
But Janetta has to tell me that. How do I know she's not being held against her will? I don't know that.
Hold on.
Yeah, start recording then. Once you hit record, give me a thumbs up and then I'll ask it again. You ready? Okay. Janetta, are you okay? How do I know if Janetta's not okay or not? Janetta.
This female is fine.
So Janetta's okay?
This female.
Everyone here is okay?
All right. I'm glad you're okay, Janetta. Hopefully we can find out the rest of the people inside are okay.
Ain't no one else here.
We don't know that.
We've just told you that. 2 people here have just told you that.
How long were you in the Coast Guard for, sir? Yes. I'm not. Sorry. Reach it for something.
Female just went inside.
Okay, update. Time for update. We've just informed. There are two of us here. We own the property. We informed them that everyone here is okay. You saw the video. But they're still confused for some reason, like dumbass. They gotta go debate among themselves what they're gonna do, like fucking retarded. Taxpayer dollars that work here for you folks. That dude has been in the force for 20 fucking years. But his dumb ass still don't know what private property is. How long have you been in the force for, buddy?
20 years!
Y'all just realize it's worse than
I understand.
I'm gonna do my fucking job. And that's protecting this family and this property with my life. You hear me?
I hear you.
Okay. This woman, I'll share something with you why we're defensive, okay?
Okay.
Her ex is the head regional battalion. He has corrupted and co-opted baddies just like you into having her falsely arrested several fucking dozen times. So I'm fucking dead. I'm the fucking protector. This is her property, it's our property. We're married. Fucking hear me?
I heard her.
We're married. That's my wife. Didn't ask. This is our property. And I'm never gonna let her get falsely arrested again. And as a man, fucking up again, that's what I'm saying. 2 dozen times by a evil motherfucker who is greedy fucking palms just like me. I don't fucking know. I don't know if you hear on his behalf.
I'm not. I promise you that.
I don't fucking. You gotta understand that I cannot trust you.
I understand.
This is private property. We have done nothing wrong. I'm fucking protecting you. I'm letting you live, even though you trespass. Because I'm gonna fucking talk to you right here, like a man, and you fucking warning. We're on point of it here. Because she's got enemies and I fucking got enemies. Because we got shit going on that you don't know about. We're not doing anything wrong. There's ain't nothing wrong going here. Fucking neighbors don't like gunshots. I fucking coon hunt. They got a fucking chicken. I will fucking absolutely shoot fucking coons if they try to get my chicken. This is private property. We're cultivating a farm. There's going to be gunshots. You tell them dumb motherfuckers to stop fucking calling the cops. And if they ever call you again, you better not fucking respond. Because they're fucking wasting all the fucking time. I'm trying to evolve it now. That's all I'm fucking talking. You're dead right now. You're trespassing private property. But I'm gonna let you live, so I will give you fucking warning, so you can have fucking warning. Because you've been in force 20 fucking years. You might live to be a good man. I don't fucking know you. I'll give you fucking one chance to stay here. Ain't shit going on here. We're living our lives in peace and freedom. Trying to grow food from the local. We're starting a farm here. This is gonna be a farm. We're getting a greenhouse right there. I will absolutely defend my shit. I don't trust nobody.
I understand.
I got 2 multi-million-dollar stalkers who have police on their fucking staff. You hear me?
I heard you.
I don't fucking trust nobody. So I ain't gonna trust you today.
Okay.
You can clearly see that the man and woman of the house are okay. They're out there talking to you. She she's told you she's okay. So now there's absolutely no reason for you to completely stop this shit.
I can't leave right now, sir.
Why?
I can't.
Why?
'Cause you already heard what my supervisor said,
What?
that you have to come out here and talk to us.
I'm out here telling you what. Who's already here?
Or Brad can just fall in two people.
I got the shit in here. And inside it.
You said it. No, just fall. You're not gonna. The two lowest that are working.
I'm not. I'm standing right here. I'm listening to what you have to say.
Please don't fuck up today.
I'm not fucking up today,
I'm not trying to kill anybody for a day.
and I don't want you to kill anybody. I want you to grow your farm and have your greenhouse and do everything you want to do.
Leave us the fuck alone then.
Ross is here.
Leave us the fuck alone.
In order for us to leave, you have to come out to your driveway unarmed. That's the only way.
The driveway, over the driveway.
Then we leave. You come out to the driveway, we talk.
There are men with guns around my property. You want me to come out?
Sir, from our standpoint, you came out with a gun in your hand.
Yeah, I got men with guns on my property.
Well,
I have
we
every
don't-
fucking right.
I understand you do. I'm not arguing with you. I agree with you. I'm on your side.
And you want me to come out there
I don't want to stand
Why
here.
and you want me to come out here unarmed while you got guns around my property?
Look,
I'm not coming out unarmed when you got guns on your hip.
we want to leave. We don't want to be here. Trust me. There's a thousand things. There's a thousand places I'd rather be than right here.
So let's end this.
You have to come out unarmed, and then we can go. We have to see what's in the house.
You don't have to see what's in the house. That's fucking bullshit. You fucking know that. So fuck up that shit.
John, just keep with the getting him out to the driveway. Don't even mention the house.
Look, once you come outside in your driveway unarmed, we leave. It's
I
that
want
simple.
everyone in their cars except for one person.
What's that?
Get the guys out of my fucking woods then.
I'm in your woods.
You want me to come out, get everyone fucking off my property except for
How about
one
the guy?
person.
Okay.
And you come to the door and I will greet you at the door.
What about the guy that's in the red shirt that talked to you sooner?
What about it?
He doesn't have a rifle.
So what about it?
You want one of us to come meet you at the door? How about we meet where that brown chicken is?
Yeah, the door's right there.
I'm trying to work with you, sir.
I'm trying to work with you. Too.
I agree with you. Look, I agree with you. I'm on your side. I don't want anyone to get hurt. That's not why we're here. You've got a family. You've got a farm. I've got a family. I've got a farm. Let's squash this and enjoy the 4th of July. Whether you celebrate or not, I don't know. But I cannot wait to see what this farm looks like someday with the greenhouse and everything that you have planned. There's no need to ruin those plans.
Who's that guy?
Who's what guy? I don't know. I can't see behind me because there's woods. So,
The sheriff.
he's the sheriff.
I'll talk to him.
You want to talk to the sheriff?
He can come meet me right here. I'll be at the door in a minute. Everyone get the fuck off my property. I want to see him leave right now and I'll talk to him.
He's not coming up there with you having a gun. He can't.
He's not allowed
I know you
to.
don't have one right now. We'll walk up there and you can talk to him.
You got a gun on you? You come up here unarmed, I will walk out unarmed. Don't ask me to walk out unarmed when you got guns.
You walk out unarmed first, and then we'll put these rifles away.
Promise. Swear to God. You have my word. You have my word.
On what?
Huh?
On what?
Your,
On anything.
your family.
On family. I'm a family man. You're a family man.
That what? You're gonna walk out here unarmed?
Yes, I just told you that. I'm a family man. I
I
have a
have that
farm.
gun right in the door.
I know
will
you
walk
do.
out I will walk out unarmed, but that gun's gonna be right in the door, and she's gonna be standing there with it.
Hey, he'll listen to you from here. Come on down.
First he said he's gonna listen to me, or now he's
Come on.
We got multi-million-dollar enemies who have corrupted badges, so we can't fucking trust that.
Mills, gun up.
2,000 times. I've been false arrested several times. I was fucking absolutely defend the property and my family with my life. Do you hear me?
What's the problem today?
We haven't done shit. We don't even know why. We pretty much know why. There's no fucking reason.
We're here because we got cold. problem now?
I have no fucking problem except that there's strangers on my property with guns.
These aren't strangers, they're my
Yes,
nephews.
they are.
They're my nephews.
I do not know you. You are a stranger.
I'm the sheriff of this
I don't
town.
fucking know you. She has been falsely arrested by fucking sheriffs who are greedy bitches. So I don't fucking trust nobody just because they call themselves a sheriff. Anybody can fucking be a sheriff and take out on the truck and get a fucking uniform. You know this. It happens.
You know that ain't happening here. We got all kinds of proof.
I don't fucking know shit. I got a wife and a family and a property to protect. We haven't done shit. We're minding our own business.
I thought you were gonna come down and talk to me. Are you gonna come down and talk to me or not?
He jumps down, Craig. They're rushing in.
Okay.
You got it?
Yep.
Pass it on to
Mills. He jumps down. We're going in.
Get these fuckers out of my woods.
We're trying to figure out what's going on here.
You really. That there ain't shit going on here. Two people trying to mind their own business. You got a serious complaint about fucking nothing. You're trespassing. You're so lucky. That is I'm a 19-year-old woman. I make trespassing. Y'all dumb motherfuckers. You get this fucking shit right. That's 20 years worth. Dead right now. For trespassing. 20 years.
Where were your war vet at?
Fuck, man. I did 8 years in the fucking army, man. They were war for my 2 years. I got 2 years, motherfucker. I got 30,000 hours fucking urban combat. I'm not a great fucking guy defending my fucking rights. I'm a German Protestant. And I view private property as a fucking religious right that I would die to defend. And you don't even know what the fuck. I got your guys coming at me. They don't even know the fucking thing. They're asking me what's going on. Y'all looking really stupid. We've uploaded half a dozen videos to YouTube right now. You've wasted over an hour of taxpayer dollars and everyone's fucking lying for no fucking reason.
Hey, you just said you didn't know who we were. Now you're saying we're away
I don't fucking know who you are, you dumb motherfucker. Get your shit straight. Fucking follow me.
I think you're a little bit wacko. You're out of touch.
And what are you gonna do now?
Well, I think we need to take
You
you
wanna
to
get
some
your
help.
shit
What do you
straight?
think?
I haven't done shit. And you trespass. So I have every fucking right to be in.
Well, I think you're a little bit incoherent right now, aren't you?
If you can't comprehend me, well then that's just dumb motherfucker.
Okay.
Y'all leaving now?
No.
Why not?
Because I'm not having my sheriff's chained out here and her going in the house.
We can have a fucking stand-up. Y'all wanna have a stand-up? Let's do it. We're gonna drink margaritas and get drunk. Y'all wanna fucking crazy? Alright? Y'all fucking problem. Y'all wanna get crazy? Y'all fucking problem. We're gonna record it. We're recording all of it. It's gonna make great fucking entertainment.
Now what side?
Males would sign. throw it. Just keep it by you.
$38 and $35, can you see the porch from where you're at? You saw him what? You saw him when he walked over to the side of the porch and then went back inside. That's about it.
I know.
Get the window down.
John, do you have cover?
This tree in front of me.
Okay.
Can you see it?
He's back out. Back out on the porch.
So it's 10 with both of them.
Dog tags.
Huh? Held its dog tags and went back inside.
38 or 35 minutes. Do we need anything or do we see anything? Need anything? Negative.
Male also walked upstairs. My body cam's about to die. What? Outside or inside? Is your body cam dead? Bad time for it to die. Mine's triple buzzing. $39.
Good.
43's body cam's dead and mine's about there. You want to do anything about that?
Nope. everybody 20 back here.
I'm gonna switch out
Hey,
my
Sergeant,
camera.
you want to make sure you film it.